Can resetting my air conditioning unit save energy?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly asked question. Can resetting my air conditioning unit save energy? Many of us are constantly looking for ways to cut down on energy consumption, both to save money and to be more environmentally conscious. We'll explore whether or not resetting your AC unit can contribute to that goal.
What does resetting your air conditioning unit mean?
Resetting an air conditioning unit typically means restoring it to its default settings or simply turning it off and then back on again after a few moments. This is often suggested as a fix for minor malfunctions or performance issues. But the important question is, does this process actually save energy? Let's find out.
Does resetting your AC unit save energy?
In general, resetting your AC unit does not directly result in energy savings. Energy usage is primarily determined by the efficiency of your unit, the settings you choose, and how long the unit runs. Resetting your unit might temporarily improve its performance if there are minor glitches, but it's not a reliable long-term energy-saving solution.
How can you actually save energy with your AC?
Instead of relying on resetting your AC to save energy, here are a few proven strategies. 1. Upgrade to a more efficient unit. Modern units often have much better energy efficiency than older models. 2. Regular maintenance. Keep your AC unit clean and have regular maintenance performed. A well-maintained unit can perform more efficiently, saving energy. 3. Smart thermostat settings. Utilize a programmable thermostat to regulate your home's temperature effectively, reducing unnecessary cooling. 4. Improve home insulation. Good insulation keeps cool air inside, reducing the work your AC needs to do. Remember, these actions can provide sustainable, long-term energy savings. In conclusion, while resetting your air conditioning unit might temporarily solve minor issues, it's not a dependable method to save energy. Instead, focus on maintaining your AC unit properly, using it wisely, and considering an upgrade if it's an older model. These steps can lead to significant energy savings. We hope this video has been helpful in your quest to save energy and make your home more efficient. Thanks for watching.